Oh, hey Nick, how are you?
I'm fine, but what brings you here today?
Just for nothing.
Oh, come on, Annie. Don't be shy and tell me true.
Actually, I want to say you something. But I'm getting nervous.
Nervous for what? What sort of matter?
Nick, I don't know where from I start. After telling this, I don't know what will you think about me.
Oh, do you really think so? You know I'm your best friend. You just believe me.
I believes you, that's why I'm gonna telling you this.
Sounds great. Then start now.
Actually, I've fallen in love.
Oh, really? Who's lucky that?
Of course. You, Nick.
Who am I?
Yeah, you. I think I should go now.
Okay, I'm getting late too. My boss will get mad at me.
Then bye for now, see you at home.
Of course, we will must talk about it.
Thanks, okay, bye bye and take care.
You too, dear.
You. Idiot Nick, where have you been?
Sorry, sir. My girlfriend came here to see me.
What? Are you crazy? After all, for what do you come here?
Obviously for doing job, sir.
Exact. Then why are you hanging out with your girlfriend?
Sorry, sir. Next time I'll not do this.
Good. It will be better for you.
Yes, sir.
Now go and do your work.
Did you see our rude boss?
Yeah, I saw him. How were he insulting you?
But it makes no odds to me. Ha ha ha.
Stop backbite his, and concentrate on your work.
Yeah, I got.